Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Ford to look at a 2019 Ford Escape Titanium and then a 2020 Escape. Now the 2020 is an SEL, but body style slightly different, headlights are a little different, but I'll show that in the videos. So you're gonna have to watch both. Here we go.
So let's review the 2019 Ford Escape Titanium front-wheel drive SUV. In the intro I mentioned I was going to shoot the 2020 SEL. That one sold as I was shooting this, so I have to shoot a different one, and I'll get to that shortly. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we see the LED taillights, we have the titanium badging. Also, you can see the EcoBoost badging here on the rear of the vehicle, backup camera. As we move around the side of the vehicle, you can see the roof rails, the roof rack side rails. We have Easy Fuel Caples fuel filler, remote tailgate release. We also have the Securecode keyless keypad on the door, and you can see the 19-inch bright machined aluminum wheels with 235/45 R19-inch tires. The front of the vehicle, we have daytime running lights, automatic HID headlights, LED fog lights. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. As we dive into the interior, that interior really pops with that the leather seat, the color of the seats. We have a 60/40 rear fold-down split seat. Here we have a great look at the Panoramic Moonroof. As we move to the front seating area, you can see the leather-wrapped steering wheel, the center stack. We'll show that in a lot more detail here shortly. The steering wheel is leather wrapped. It is heated. Here we see additional power ports for the back compartment, and a really nice look at the dashboard, center stack, and the steering wheel. Steering wheel has the fingertip controls. As we tilt up and see the panoramic moonroof. Here we can see the power windows. They're one touch up and down. You hit the button once and it goes down. Hit the button again and it will go up. Really comfortable seats. We have a great shot of the dash here. Also, we have power. Both front seats are power. Showed that a moment ago. Instrument cluster has plenty of gauges, technology, information showing. So here we have the one-touch up and down windows, power windows. They are power and heated side mirrors, manual fold. We have adaptive cruise, collision warning, lane keeping, lane assist, tilt telescoping steering column. Dual zone climate control. Additional power ports. Here is a 12 volt, if I can get it open, there we go. As well as a USB. Electronic parking brake. The center console has a two-stage. We have a deep center console as well as a tray. Here we have the backup camera. We have enhanced active park assist, remote start. The sound system is a Sony audio system with 10 speakers. It's voice-activated navigation. Here you can see the Navi as I'm punching through the various functionality. We have blind spot as well as cross-traffic alert. control this with the touchpad, and then also you can do it old school with the manual dials below as well as on your steering wheel. Here's the Panoramic Moonroof. Very, very impressive. Allows a lot of light in, and then you can also tilt or open the front section completely. As far as the cargo area, it's a hands-free lift gate. We have 34 square feet of cargo space with the seats up in this configuration here. We have an additional 12-volt power port as seen. And it is a power lift gate, so we push the button here and the hatch closes. The power plant is a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder EcoBoost. It produces 245 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, 22 city, 29 highway.